cannot record it.
May 30th, 2017, 11:22.
Hi, you've reached Station in Charge Tim Martinez with the Colorado Bureau of Investigation. I'm not in. Please leave a message, and I will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you.
You cannot record a message for
Tim Martinez.
This mailbox is full. Hello, Cisco Unity Connection Messaging System. Sorry, the operator is not available.
CBI front desk, how may I direct your call?
Hi, I need to report corrupt cartel actors in the Colorado Springs Internal Affairs refusing to do their due diligence in aiding malicious cops in aggravated kidnapping and treason crime.
I'm sorry, who do you need to speak with?
I need to speak with, is Tim Martinez in the office?
Let me see. Hold on.
What are you for?
Yeah, I'm going to put you through to investigations. I don't see if Tim Martinez is in or not, but I'll put you through to investigations,
Can you
okay?
please, yeah, and can you please let Tim Martinez know that his message box is full?
To let him know what now?
His message box is full on his voicemail.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Yeah, I'll put you through now. Hold on.
Thank you.
Colorado Bureau of Investigation, how can I help you?
Hi, I need to report a sergeant in the Colorado Springs, El Paso Police Department. And I've got him recorded today. He has violated the obligations of his seat and internal affairs to do a due diligence investigation. He has not contacted the witnesses in my case. He's aiding and abetting David Nelson, another officer in the police department, in illegal arrest by false arresting me.
Let me get you over to our Pueblo office. They're going to be the ones that would handle this.
In Pueblo?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, it falls into their jurisdiction. Hold on one second. Thank you for calling the Colorado Bureau of Investigation, Pueblo Regional Facility. For forensic services, press 1. For investigative services, press 2. If you are in need of a background check or have questions regarding your background check, press... Wait while I transfer your call. You have reached Rose Gillen-Brow with CBI Forensic Services. I'm sorry, I'm away from my desk right now or on another line. Please leave your name and number and a short message. Thank you and have a great day. Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, Rose. My name is Dr. Heidi Woodick. My number is 719-281-5748. I am recording this. As I just recorded the El Paso Internal Affairs with Colorado Springs for the police department, Mr. Selecko or Selecic and Soselek, and Officer Soselek, he's a sergeant, and he's refusing to do his due diligence and proper investigation in 15 CR 1287 in the false arrest with me, as there is no court-ordered warrant to have arrested me October 2015. It's not on record of the courts. It's not in record of the police departments for arrest. It just is a false front to show that there's an arrest warrant order when there is no arrest warrant order in place on record, nor with the public, and period. And this is called an aggravated kidnapping. It's an act of treason, and it's a terrorist violation by the Patriot Act. And this gentleman in the El Paso Internal Affairs, Sokolek, is not doing his process right in investigating and aiding Officer David Nelson in his crimes of human trafficking by false arrest and aggravated kidnapping, as he did not have a proper arrest warrant order and before arresting me. October 2015 in El Paso. He entered into a church on Constitution and without the church's permission, which is a safe house, and under safe house laws, it is a federally protected entity by federal laws. He had no warrant to even arrest me and no warrant to enter a church. The Internal Affairs in Colorado Springs doesn't even know this law. And so they're refusing, which is also a treason, and it's a violation of my rights to be properly protected and equal protection right that I have, equal protection of the laws. And I'm letting you know this. The case, again, is in Pueblo, Colorado, 15 CR 1287. I was injured. I was deprived my rights to phone calls, a blanket. I was deprived my rights to medical. I was actually hurt. I was body slammed to the wall for no reason, popped my shoulder and tore it significantly. And I took a head injury. This is now by false arrest. This is under the torture laws, and this is attempted murder. And I want these officers in internal affairs who are aiding this type of kidnapping to be charged with attempted murder for causing me irreparable harm, causing me a head injury, tearing my shoulder, holding me without my rights, without my medical rights being met. All of it was recorded. And this officer didn't even contact the witnesses to do a proper investigation for the crimes and the pain and suffering, cruel and unusual treatment and care. A false arrest is actually a physical assault. If you don't have a proper warrant, it's classified as a physical assault, and I expect you to carry it that way. My number, 719-281-5748. I want Mr. Sokolek in the Internal Affairs in Colorado Springs. I want him arrested, and I want him held as accessory for harboring this type of bullshit that's going on in Colorado of human trafficking. It's uncalled for. This is recorded, and I will be putting it on YouTube to expose the heinous abuse of law enforcement in Colorado.